Good afternoon everyone, I welcome you to my channel. I know we ladies, we love to jump around, dance around, moving with people during our menstrual period, but some feel discomfort, unhappy, being unhappy mood to move with people due to some reasons. What are the reasons? We have heavy flow, then menstrual pain, then itches on our private part. Here is solution, 7-layer sanitary pad from Kedi Healthcare. Do you get it? Let's perform some experiments with other materials we use for our menstruation. Here I go. It's just like 5 centimeters of the water. It can't contain it, can you see it? So some of us feel this. Many of us that have been using this, we know how it looks at the end of the day. So let's keep this aside. Let's go for another material. Now, let's take 7-layer sanitary pad. No more heavy flow, menstrual pain, 7-layer sanitary pad is there for you.